Pages Online. This is a special edition called Tuesday's Tips. Every Tuesday, we're going to post a new tip on how to use our special sponge painting system. These are designed specifically to give you additional information as you continue your growth in our program. Let's get a start and take a look at today's tip. Today, we're going to give you a very specific instructional video for you to be able to learn how to use a brush. Oh my, this nasty little thing here. This has been the problem, the bane of our existence, this brush. We've been having lots and lots of fun with our program, teaching you all how to use our favorite object, the sponge, which has been really cool because people have been able to do a lot of wonderful things with this sponge. In fact, you can do 90 to 100% of all of our paintings with just this sponge. But there are a few of our paintings that need a small amount, just a small amount of brush work, maybe 5 to 10%. This instructional video is specifically designed to show you what I call the secrets of how to use a brush. I've got to tell you, I went to art school for years and years and years, and not a single person in any one of my art classes ever said, hey, by the way, here's how you use a brush. I don't know, I think they guessed that we all knew how to use a brush. But there are some really cool secrets, and we're going to show them to you today. Even you can master the small 5 to 10% that's needed to use a brush in our program. What we're going to do, kind of like the lift move that we utilize with the sponge, and we've talked about that in our other videos, okay? If you take this brush and you push down and you drag it across the page and you don't change anything, the line will be boring and blah, just straight down. But if, and here's the catch, if when you push the brush down, as you drag it across the page, you slowly lift the pressure. Aha, there's the key word, pressure. It's all about the pressure. If when you push down and you drag it, you lift the pressure slowly, the line will go from very, very thick and it will taper down to very, very thin. That's the secret about using a brush. By the way, this whole program does not matter whether you're using the largest brush in your arsenal or you're using the smallest brush in your arsenal. These rules apply to all brushes. We hope that you have enjoyed this little video and that this tip was helpful for you. For more of Tuesday's Tips, check out our website under the free classes for Tuesday's Tips. If you want, also check out the full video, which is all about learning how to paint with our sponge system, which is the free video on our website, The #1 Painting. And we look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.